The Regions Bank Explore Visa Card is a secured credit card built to help people establish or rebuild their credit history. It requires a refundable security deposit, with your credit limit matching the amount you put down, anywhere from $250 to $10,000. Since it reports to all three major credit bureaus, consistent on-time payments can make a real difference in building a stronger credit profile. Over time, Regions may review your account and, if you qualify, return your deposit and upgrade you to an unsecured card. The card also includes standard Visa benefits like extended warranty coverage, travel and emergency help, and protections against unauthorized purchases. On top of that, Regions offers can give you cash back when shopping with select retailers, and the card can serve as overdraft protection for a Regions checking account. Still, there are trade-offs to consider. The $29 annual fee stands out as a drawback, especially since some secured cards charge nothing. The deposit requirement ties up funds you can't use elsewhere, and interest on balance transfers or cash advances starts immediately, which can be expensive if not managed carefully. While it offers useful features like card controls and fraud alerts, the rewards are limited and not competitive compared to unsecured options. In short, this card works best for those committed to improving their credit and already banking with Regions, especially if the eventual goal is to graduate to an unsecured card. The built-in protections, cashback offers, and overdraft coverage add value, but the annual fee and tied-up deposit mean it's not the cheapest way to build credit. If fees matter most or you have other secured card options, it's worth comparing before locking in a decision.